I've built over 450 different landing pages, and these are the 4 conversion levers 98% of businesses are missing. Today, I'm going to show you what those 4 conversion levers are if you want to unlock a flood of highly qualified leads and sales into your business. Hey there team, if you're new to my channel, my name's Conlin-Hurd. I'm the co-founder of the post-click agency Persuasion Experience, and in my career, I've launched 450 funnels and landing pages across 120 different niches. On my channel, I talk about everything converting traffic, making irresistible offers, and how to make more money from your marketing. So if this sounds like you, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stick around until the end of the video. And as a quick FYI, today's training is a little snippet from our latest masterclass, the PX Funnel Masterclass, where we have poured all of our brains into a 45-minute training to walk you through exactly step by step how you can create your own high converting sales machine. If you'd like access to that, I'll leave the link for you in the description. Otherwise, team, I hope you enjoyed today's training. So there's going to be 4 levers to a high converting savage landing page. It's your offer, the number one thing. There's the above the fold. There's the brand response copy. And there's the shut up and take my money proof. And I'm going to walk you through some of those now. So this is our very simplified template for above the fold, aka the most important real estate on your page. And this is how we break it down. We have an eyebrow that shows that we're in there in the right spot, a clear headline that explains what you're doing, make sure that they know that they're in the right spot, but encourages them to keep reading. That's the whole point of the headline. Value bullets, one clear call to action, and something above the fold that makes sense. We don't just chuck design on there for the sake of chucking design on there. So an example that we worked with in the lead gen space is Keystone Executive Coaching. So they're a business coach, a lot of noise in this space, a lot of skepticism in this space. And we surveyed their target market. So it's like, their customers and what did they want? Well, the thing that we kept on finding was this idea of focus. I just don't know where to focus. I have all of these ideas. I have shiny object syndrome. I keep doing the wrong things. I don't know where to focus. And the 3 big problems, or the 3 big things they wanted, was to unlock more time, grow their business, and increase profits. Those were the things that kept coming up. So then we can this is a Google Ads campaign. We can start to unpack that and we can turn that into an offer. So that's give me 30 minutes. So basically we're giving them a free coaching call. Give me 30 minutes and I'll show you where to focus in 2022 to unlock more time, grow your business, and increase profits. And we can start to show the dream outcome, the perceived likelihood of success, all of these things. As we start to go down the page, you need to make sure that you're focusing on your message hierarchy, and it's all based on the importance of the decision criteria. So don't have your best stuff at the bottom. Literally think, if I was a salesperson doing a presentation to get them to take up the action I want them to take up, how would I do that? And a really easy formula to follow is the PASS formula: problem, agitate, solve. Depending on which part of the buyer's journey you tap into, depends on how much you need to unpack the problem and the agitate part. But for a lot of our clients, if it's a Google Ads campaign, we can touch on those at the top, and then all imagery earns its spot on the page. So to show you that in practice, because this is just our inputs from the avatar document, it's the 3 big problems here. We know this. We did the research. Then we have skimmable subheads in the avatar's words, because some people, there's different types of users that come to your page. And then we have the distinct differences and the value adders here, the benefits. Like, why should you choose us? And you can start to outline the proof, the irrefutable third-party proof. And you want to use proof with intent, and you want to use proof to remove friction. So for example, here for a client, we're using payment stubs because it's a very legit thing that you can make money from. And it's actually too easy to do it because you can run raffles online and raffle things off if you have a following, or if you're a fundraiser or a school or a charity. So we're like, people aren't going to believe us. We need to show other people using it, and we need to show them making money. What you can also do is use testimonials to remove objections, and you can use native proof as well to help bolster your argument. What you can also do is use a comparison table to help with versus your competitive alternatives, and you want to make your offer tangible and stack the value. So this is some of those things that we've been talking about throughout the presentation into practice. And then you can start to see how this all comes together. All of these. And some people are like, oh, the copy's too long. There's too much copy. No, there's no such thing as copy that's too long. Only copy that is too boring. If your copy is boring, yeah, it's too long because no one cares. But if it's good copy, you would never ever limit your salesperson to a few words. So why in the world would you do that for your digital salesperson? And once you get this right, you start to get these amazing results instantaneously when you implement a good golden hippo offer into what you're doing. So if you've ever wanted to generate more leads and clients, these are the true assets to do that. And once it's built, then you get predictable leads and sales. You get pricing power. You get to separate yourself from your competitors. You become the authority in any market. You have a database of people to access at any time. It's owned media, that's your list. And you can sleep easy at night, because how annoying is it when you're trying to generate leads and hustle, and then the start of the month, everything resets back to zero. And you're like, well, don't know where my leads are coming from. And you just start that nightmare again. And it's very, very frustrating. So to recap, you need a traffic source, a lead well, a high converting sales page with your golden hippo offer. And then you have an email nurturing sequence if they download the lead magnet, but don't convert into an offer, all working on autopilot.